In this video, I am going to show you how to add a clip on the top track in Davinci Resolve 18. Here on my timeline, you can see that I have only one video track and one audio track. I am going to add a new track. Right click on the video one and click on add track. Here I have added the new track. I would like to paste this clip on the top track. Let's try to do that. I am cutting this clip and I would like to paste it over here on the top track. When I try to paste the clip on the top track, here you can see that it is overriding the below track. If you try to do the paste insert also, it is adding to the bottom track. The main reason for this is auto selector. You need to disable auto track selector. After disabling the auto track selector, you can simply do the paste. Now here you can see that we have successfully added the clip on the top. In this way, you can add clips on the top track in Davinci Resolve 18. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.